Started with nothing but got off my ass when got me a bag, had to run it up. Sat here impatiently waiting for mine, but now it's my time to go fuck them up. Put the guns down, we can knuckle up. They get shot in your face, bitch, you dumb as fuck. You know that I'm cut, ain't no trust in us. All my niggas got drinks, ain't no rushing up. Purple in my cup, runs in my blunt, 20 grand a month. Young niggas stuck, drop a diss song and you getting punched. In this gang, so you getting jumped. I've been doing my thing for a minute now, but I'm focused, it's time to go get it now. Even killed them with battle rapping, but the smack that I got the beats not in and out.
See, I ducked off, got my change up, and my essays got my weight up. Nigga, all the smoke's California. Double cup when we pour it. Take a risk, it's the motive. Illuminati nigga.
We stand on business, niggas, bitches, they can't gang with us. You ain't no killer, use a witness, bitch, don't play with us. When cuz was out here staying safe, bitch, we stay dangerous. He only think that he a demon off that.
Alright, Mr. Mumbles for the KingsCourt Network. We are doing the review for the Alphaleague battle from the St. Valentine's Day Massacre 3 event. We have Polo Roe going against Badlife Bird. First off, it was a one-rounder. I never really like one-rounders. I just feel they're not full battles, but it was a good battle for what it was. Polo Roe went first. He really went the humor route, and it worked for him. He was really funny there throughout his whole round. He did the typical disrespect of the girl, but it was really good. Well, word out the 12 gauge, since you used to double cock in your mouth, because how she's with double O, was good. The whole your pussy smell like, you know, the hillbilly spit, the dish under the fridge, the whole thing. And, you know, the cockatoo, catcher eating a cockatoo was really nice. The Greek Opa line. I even like the Badlife Bird impersonation. The voice was actually pretty spot on. You know, it was a very strong line from Polo Roe. Badlife Bird, she was pretty good. Like, her delivery is really spot on. She had some okay lines. The rock this nigga shit, like trying to get my brother's ball back. The whole the gayish with the inboxing, like she's a side chick. Have your top bitch giving me top bitch there. I find her delivery is on point there, but she doesn't really go to anywhere. Doesn't really. It's a lot more build up that doesn't really land anywhere on most of her stuff there. So I really find that lacking.